format and size.
Okay. What size we can
And
change?
creating bullets.
Okay. Okay. Good. Anyone else? Yeah, Kavish, tell.
Changing font size,
Okay.
font color, font text, and font.
Okay. Right. Very good. Right. Next is, and how many types of paragraph alignments are there in MS Word? What type? I mean, how many types of alignments are there? Text alignment. Anybody else? Yeah. Avignesh, tell me, ma.
4.
What are they?
Center, left, right, justify.
Justify. Right. Very good. Very good. Now mute yourself. And yes. And where can we get the shapes? In which tab we can find the shapes? Is it file? Is it home? Is it insert? Yeah, Arham, tell me.
Insert tab.
Very good. In insert tab, we'll find shapes. So we can insert that shape into our document. Right. And what is what is word art? Can anyone? Word art means, what is the specialty of word art? Not Abhignesh. Anybody else? Those who did not answer till now. What is the specialty of word art? What can we get with the word art? Yes, Nana, what happened? Sasra, you'd like to answer? Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, specialty of word art is we can write words in different handwritings.
Yeah, well, that is nothing but we can add graphics to the text, right? Yes, good, very good.
Yes.
Word, yeah, word art means we can add graphics. You know what is graphic, right? Yeah, so that we can add to our text, colorful. We can make our text look colorful. Very good. What is smart art? Who will tell? Not Kavish. Anybody else? Those who did not answer. Shrestha, Ronav. What about you all? Same people, same children. I don't want. I want everyone to answer. What is smart art? What can we do with the smart art? Shanvi, you'll answer. Danesh. Only Kavish and Sahasra raised their hands. But I want from others. Shrestha,
Yes, ma'am.
what is smart art, Nana?
Smart art.
Yeah.
We can insert with that
What we can insert?
pictures. Pictures.
Pictures means that comes under clip art. Clip art are the collection of is a collection of pictures. Smart art
Smart art.
we can, yeah, one second. Your friends will tell. Yes, Yashasvi tell.
Smart art is used to create diagrams in a MS.
MS Word. Yeah. Yes. So we can create
Word.
diagrams, Nana. Like I told you, you can create For suppose a life cycle of any butterfly or that, right? From the egg to the butterfly, you can draw a diagram in the circular manner. So that can be done with the help of smart art, right? Kavish, what is your doubt?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Mm.
Ma'am,
Mm.
actually we can create a folder with no name, ma'am.
Yes.
But in theme one, you told us that we can't create a folder with no name.
When I told without name, you can create ma. Just you can create a folder. Obviously, it automatically gives it the name new folder. That you can change it, but you need not to give the name. It automatically takes the name. When you create a folder, it will create by the name new folder, right? It itself gives the name as a new folder. Did you create a
Ma'am,
folder?
ma'am, actually I can't understand because it is echoing.
So your TV is on, I think. No?
Yes, Sanvi's tab was there.
Yeah, that sound I am getting. Yes, Nana, when you create a new folder, what is the name shown under that folder? It's new folder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that itself is a name only, right? So if you want to give your name or specified name, that you can give. Not compulsory that name should be given. Why you have a name? Because that is your representation, right? Right,
No,
Kavi?
ma'am, like that not, ma'am.
Uh,
If I have a new folder
okay.
and when I Control B.
Control B. Very good. Very good. Next, shortcut. Arham down. Hands down. What is a shortcut key for making text underline? Not the same persons again. I want different for underlining. Yeah, Nehal. Nehal. Tell me, Nehal.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. What is a shortcut key for making a text underline?
Control U.
Very good. Okay. And what is that? Control plus shift plus F stands for? What will appear when we click Control plus Shift plus F at a time? What is that used for? Control plus Shift plus F. What can we see? Yeah, Danesh raised his hand. Yes, Danesh, tell me.
Font dialogues box.
Very good, very good, very good. Right. So you're all thorough with ICT, right? Now, what is Control plus I? Control plus I. Yeah, Shanmukapri, answer. Tell me, ma.
Italic.
Italic. Yeah, italic. The text looks italic. Right. Next, coming to. And what is the default color of the text in MS Word? Shrestha, where are you? Yeah, Shrestha, tell me. Tell me, what Shrestha.
Black.
Very good. Good job. Next one. A dash is a small graphic symbol that marks each item in a list. What is the graphic symbol that is used to make the text in the list format? Dash is a small graphic symbol that marks each item in a list. Abhignesh, yeah. Tell me.
Bullet.
Very good. Very good. And which alignment is used to set the text evenly between left and right? Dash alignment is used to set the text evenly between the left and right. What is that alignment? Not the same persons. Any Ananya?
Horizontal and vertical.
That is not that is scroll bars, Nana. I am asking which alignment. First, tell me how many types of alignments we have. Abhignesh, down your hands. Your hands will pain. How many types of alignments we have, Ananya?
We have 3 types of alignment.
How many?
3.
Tell me what are they?
They are center,
Yeah.
right, and
Okay.
left.
One more is also there. Justify. So 4 alignments are there. And coming to this question, this thing is which alignment lies between left and right?
Um,
Yeah. Anybody else? Mm, Shrestha already finished one time. Yeah. Sahasra, tell me. Tell me,
yes,
Sahasra.
ma'am.
What is the answer? Which alignment is used to set the text evenly between the left and right? Who will answer, ma? Yeah, Arham. Yes,
Center.
yes. Center alignment. The name itself says center means it lies between left and right only, right? It lies in between the left and right. So obviously the answer is center alignment. And now, see Nana, you have to, yeah. Now open your course books once, everyone. We'll start reading the course book because you are having 40 marks question paper, right? So whatever is there in the back of the course books, the objectives are not sufficient. So each and every line you should be thorough from the course book. So each line is a objective question for you. So you have to be thoroughly, should read thoroughly the full course book. Only one course book, right? Only theme 3 you have to read, right? So full course book you should be thoroughly reading. Now I will start. Did you all open course books page number 1? Start reading from the beginning. First, who will read? Yeah, Shanmuka, start ma. Start reading the course book. Shanmuka Priya, start. I have unmuted you, Nana. You have to unmute. Yeah, start.
Formatting text.
Everybody concentrate. Yes.
Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it more attractive. We can create and
Design.
design properly arranged document by changing font and its size,
Adjusting.
adjusting line spacing,
Hmm.
creating bullets and number list, aligning text, changing the style and color, font group. The font group on Home tab has
Hmm. Various options.
various options to format text. You can use font size, font color, etc. to make text more
What happened? Visually effective.
visually effective. Font, bold, italic, underline, text highlighting color, font size, font.
Stop it. Next, Shrikar, read. Continue. Shrikar.
To changing for type and size. To type the text in different fonts, perform the following steps. Step 1. Select the text and click on Home tab. Step 2. Click the arrow next to the font box and scroll down all the fonts available in the drop down list. Step 3. Choose the font and click to apply to
Increase.
increase or decrease the size of the text. Perform the following steps. Step 1. Select the text and click on Home tab. Step 2. Click the arrow next to the font size box and choose the
Appropriate.
appropriate size. Changing font styles. To
Emphasize.
emphasize or highlighting the text, use bold, italic, and underline. Text, perform the following steps. Step 1. Select the text and click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on I or
U.
VIU as pair your choice from the font group.
Wait, ma.
Changing
Wait. Yes, ma. Listen, everyone. Have you all, done with the course books? Everyone, course books are completed, or anybody pending? Any page is pending? Check all your course books, everyone, once from the beginning to the last. Yashasvi, did you complete, ma? Yes? Okay. Show your thumbs if you have done. Yeah. Sasra is completed, Azan complete, Shrikar also completed, I think. Hansika.
read it, Anand.
Yeah, Hansika, have you completed the course book, Theme 3, completely?
Yeah.
No page is pending?
No
Okay.
pending.
Okay, right. Next to anyone? Okay. Ananya, tell me what, Ananya?
Ma'am, can I read?
1 second, let me confirm any pendings. So, no pendings? Everyone completed? Azan, what? You have pending or you want to read?
Ma'am, I have pending, ma'am.
Now, just now
Page
you
number
told
9, 10, 11.
9, 10, 11. Just now you told no, done. 9,
Ma'am, there is pending, ma'am.
9, 10, 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you write? 10 minutes are there. Will you write fast?
Okay, ma'am.
Or else, yeah, one thing I'll do, I'll share it. You have my number. I think you don't have my number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oof. You tell me your number.
Ma'am, once again, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll share it through WhatsApp.
Ma'am, 955
Okay.
3830
Okay.
272.
9553830 Okay, right. So by the evening I'll send ma. Okay, you can complete it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Still anybody else? Yes, Akshat. You are also having pending.
Yeah, ma'am.
Which page, Amma?
Ma'am, 11th page, first one, first bit,